Hey, what's up, guys? Doing a electronic throttle cleaning on 2019 Toyota RAV-4. First, what you want to do is come over here and lift this little tab up and pull this off. We're going to get this MAF Sensor Harness off. You just push the little tab and pull it up. You shouldn't have to wrestle that at all. Next, push these airbox clips up. Go ahead and get these clips off. Now, if you look back here, it has these tabs that are pushing in. So when you lift this out, you're going to want to pull it outwards. Also, let's get this MAF sensor unplugged. Make sure the car is off. Make sure your key is out of the car. And go ahead and push this button right here. And then just pull it straight back. It'll unplug. No problem. Now we should be able to lift this up and get it out. You should be able to lift it up like this. You may need to loosen up this 10mm bolt right here. And you don't have to do it all the way, you can just do a little bit, not too much, and then you should be able to pull this out of this air hose just like this. Don't be too rough because you could rip that air hose. Here's your air filter. We can leave it there for the moment so it won't let anything drop in. And go ahead and take this hose off right here. Be careful for the nipple. You can use a flathead to help push it off. Actually, I'd recommend a flathead. Same with up here. Pull this thing loose and then use like a flathead or something gentle to just kind of pop that loose and get it off. Okay, as you can see, there's a connector, or what is that, a bracket holding that on. We're gonna need to squeeze that together. You can get some needle nose pliers or just some regular pliers, and you want to squeeze this together so it'll become loose. These they will lock for you if you squeeze it the right way. You squeeze it the right way, and then it'll stay locked, squeezed. So then you can remove this. Just be careful because when those pop loose, they snap shut or they snap open pretty fast. So here's our electronic throttle body. What you want to do is you want to gently open it and clean the outer edge of the plate. You want to clean the top and the bottom of the plate and the top and bottom of the throttle body. Very gentle. This is an electronic motor, so what you want to do is take some throttle body cleaner and spray a rag. Do not spray any in there. A lot of people ask me that in the comments, why not? And honestly, I don't know. Every service manual says do not spray the throttle body into the throttle. Don't spray the cleaner into the throttle body. And I think maybe because it might get in somewhere or something. I don't know, but that's what the service manual says, so I'm going to do it. Just go ahead and open it gently. Get the top and the bottom of the chamber and each side of the plate, the front and the back of the plate, and just clean it until you don't see any more black soot or carbon. Go ahead and get it out. And this looks pretty clean. This is fine how it is. This one wasn't bad at all. So basically everything just goes back. This goes on a certain spot, that little notch. This part of the air hose goes right back into that spot. Go ahead and wiggle this back on, and then get the connector to come undone, and it'll undo and then kind of snap tight. How I did it is when it was together, I wiggled the piece sticking out the back, and it just kind of unsnapped or unlocked and snapped shut. Get the hose back on this part. I'm sorry guys if I'm kind of like missing words and this and that. I'm kind of tired when I'm doing this. Let's get this back on here. Okay, got that on, and I actually have a new air filter. I was just gonna replace it right now. Might as well. So if you want to know how to replace the air filter, you can just do it right here as well. So I got my new air filter in. So let's go ahead and put the air box back in. You put it in these tabs first, and then you do the metal clamps. So I put it in. I got my metal clamps tight, and we'll go and put this MAF sensor harness back on. Go and just snap it in right here. And on here again, you shouldn't have to wrestle with this harness to move it around. We'll snap that back in place. Tighten down your air boot clamp, the 10mm, and that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.